Police Public Relations Officer Senior Sergeant William Holder says the event, which is the first of its kind, gave the public an opportunity to tour the facility and view the equipment that officers use on a daily basis.
It's the first ever open day, if you want to call it an exhibition, at police headquarters. Here is where we give the general public an opportunity to come in and view some of the equipment that we use while we perform our duties, and also have an opportunity to tour some parts of the police headquarters and see officers at work. On the table that is before me is some of the items that the traffic department would use to carry out, especially investigation of accidents. Also flyers with safety tips and guidelines as it relates to how to prevent accidents.
The open day falls in line with the objective of further enhancing the relationship between members of the public and the police force.
This is all part of our aim to foster better relationship with the general public. It is said that knowledge is power. When people know what we are doing, they have a greater appreciation for our efforts. Also, when they recognize even sometimes the limited equipment and resources that we have to do our job, and we are still coming up and being so efficient, people tend to appreciate us more. And so what we have done for this time around is to have these on display so the general public would come and see some of the things that we're doing and appreciate us, and that in itself we would find coming out of that person would want to even participate and assist the police.
According to the police PRO, the open day should be a permanent fixture on the police calendar.
I would want to hope that it would be. It depends on the personnel from the Police Week committee whether they would see it, but I think this can be very beneficial because, I mean, what we have seen over the past few years as it relates to media relations, since the police are more open as it relates with information, we have been receiving a lot of support from the general public, tips, information on criminal activities, which has really helped us in our work. So I would think this is one of the ventures that should continue.
Guns, bulletproof vests, uniforms representing the various ranks within the police force, and other equipment were on display during the exhibition. Larissa Francis reporting for ABS News.